UFC 268 is one of the most loaded card of the year. On this card, Justin Gaethje is going to fight Michael Chandler, and they are both coming after a loss, and both in the title match. Justin Gaethje lost to Khabib Nurmagomedov in Abu Dhabi, and Michael Chandler lost to Charles Oliveira in May this year. They are both aggressive and they like to strike and brawl with the opponent. Justin Gaethje has one advantage. He has fierce leg kicks. He is one of the hardest leg kickers in MMA, as said by Daniel Cormier. Michael Chandler is a pressure fighter. He likes to move forward, pressure opponent and knock them out, and he also matches his wrestling very well with the striking. And he also likes to pick opponent and slam them on the ground. Justin Gaethje, when he came to UFC, after his first win against Michael Johnson, he had back-to-back losses against Eddie Alvarez and Dustin Poirier. That strategy of brawling with opponent, pressing forward, did not work with the veteran fighters like Eddie Alvarez and Dustin Poirier, who like to take their time, pick the opponent apart. After that two losses, he went back to the drawing board and completely changed his game. Now he engages with the opponents very wisely and he keeps the fight at the striking distance. He also employs his leg kicks very heavily. And this could be very decisive in this matchup against Michael Chandler. Michael Chandler also faced Eddie Alvarez. Eddie Alvarez is the common opponent between both Justin Gaethje and Michael Chandler. And Michael Chandler faced Eddie Alvarez twice. Once, first time he won, second time he lost via a split decision. And after that win, Eddie Alvarez came to UFC from the Bellator. So even though Michael Chandler has not fought in UFC, he is fighting the top tier fighters. He has two wins against Benson Henderson, who was one of the most well-rounded fighter and who was also the UFC lightweight champion. So at the end, it will come down to this, because since Justin Gaethje is improved, he is not going to just run into Michael Chandler and brawl with him. As much as it is said in build-up to this fight by Michael Chandler, the first man to take a step backward will be a timid soul, to which Justin Gaethje replied that when he will feel the power in my kick and fist, he would like to shoot, and then he will be a bitch. But it will be required in this fight. But the thing which makes it really interesting is if Justin Gaethje comes forward, it could be a nightmare for Michael Chandler, because he will kick him, and Michael Chandler has one attribute. Michael Chandler, the fighter who presses opponents, and Michael Chandler, the fighter who is pressed by opponents when he is stepping backward. They are two different fighters if you watch all his fights. Even though you look at his loss against Patricio Freire, in that fight as well, he was fighting backwards, and in the fight against Charles Oliveira this year, when he was knocked out, he was fighting backwards, because he does not employ leg kicks to that much. And the disadvantage with fighting backward will be Justin Gaethje will use his leg kicks, and if he is fighting in forward, pressing against Justin Gaethje, he will take the leg kick out of the game. Even though Justin Gaethje will be able to land some, but it's not that same kind of force that when you land with kick opponent when you are fighting backwards. And then Michael Chandler will have a chance to throw something and catch him with something and knock him out. This fight is very unlikely to go full distance of 15 minutes. So let's see how this is gonna play out, and thanks for watching this. I'll keep updating more, and please subscribe my channel.